Hello engineers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. By the way, this is Engineer Jiban Aiko Kalaki at sa araw na to, pag-uusapan natin is power system analysis, geometric mean reduced formula for 3 strands, 4 strands, and 7 strands conductor. But before that, mag-i-introduce ako ng isang pattern na tinatawag kong Kalaki's pattern in deriving GMR formula for the following strands conductor. 3 strands, 4 strands, and 7 strands conductor. Okay, let's start our discussion. So first pattern natin is what we call the 3 strands triangular arrangement. So ito yung magiging illustration natin. So we have strand number 1, strand number 2, and strand number 3. So kukunin natin yung distance ng strand number 1 to strand number 2. So we have the radius r and also a radius r. So therefore, yung total distance natin from strand number 1 to strand number 2 is r plus r, which is equal to 2r. So for strand number 2 to strand number 3, that is also 2r. Strand number 3 to strand number 1, that is also 2r. So this is 2r, 2r, and 2r. So using the geometric mean reduced formula, yung general formula, madiderive nating equation dito is GMR is equal to 1.46 times the radius. Okay, next. For 3 strands horizontal arrangement naman, ito yung magiging illustration niya. We have strand number 1, strand number 2, and strand number 3. So the distance from strand number 1 to strand number 2 is also equal to 2r. And then from strand number 2 to strand number 3, that is also 2r. Okay? But the distance from strand number 1 to strand number 3, that is 2r plus 2r, that is equal to 4r. So using the geometric mean reduced general formula, madiderive nating equation dito is GMR is equal to 1.7036. So kung titingnan natin yung pattern, mahirap talaga siyang i-familiarize. So but this time, ituturo ko sa inyo ang isang technique para mas madaling ma-memorize yung ating GMR formula sa bawat type of strands. Okay? Next, 4 strands diamond arrangement. So ito yung magiging illustration natin. So we have 4 strand, that is strand number 1, strand number 2, number 3, and number 4. Yung distance ng strand number 1 to strand number 2, that is 2r. Strand number 2 to strand number 3, that is also 2r. Strand number 3 to strand number 4, that is 2r. And strand number 4 to strand number 1, that is also 2r. And then next natin kukunin is yung distance from strand number 2 to strand number 4. So we also have 2r since this is radius and this is also radius. So radius plus radius, that is 2r. And then next natin yung strand number 1 to strand number 3. So that is equivalent to 2 square root of 3r. So may kasunod pa itong radius. Okay? So paano natin na-derive yung 2 square root of 3? So ganito yan, engineers. So that is 2 squared. So we do Pythagorean theorem. Then yung distance na ito is 1. So we have square root of 3. Since this is 2 lines, first line and second line, so we will multiply 2. So that's why we arrive to square root of 3. So kapag ganitong arrangement ng strand conductors, engineers, ang magiging formula natin dito is GMR is equal to 1.692 times the radius. So kung titingnan natin ang layo ng mga pattern. So mahirap siyang i-familiarize. Next, the 4-strand square arrangement. Ito yung magiging illustration niya. We have 4 strands. This is strand number 1, strand number 2, strand number 3, and strand number 4. So yung distance ng strand number 1 to strand number 2, that is 2R. And then strand number 2 to strand number 3, that is also 2R. And then strand number 3 to strand number 4, that is also 2R. And strand number 4 to strand number 1, that is also 2R. Then sunod natin kukunan ng distance is yung distance from strand number 1 to strand number 3. That is 2 square root of 2R. So dapat may kasunod pa itong radius. Okay? Next, yung distance naman from strand number 4 to strand number 3. That is also equal to 2 square root of 2 times the radius. So using the GMR general formula, may madiderive tayong equation dito na GMR is equal to 1.722 times radius. Okay? I-recall lang natin. Sa 3 strands triangular, that is 1.46. Kapag 3 strands horizontal, that is 1.7036. Kapag 4 strand diamond arrangement naman, that is 1.692. And then kapag 4 strand square arrangement naman, that is 1.722. So kung titingnan natin ang pattern, napakalayo ng mga values. Next is the 7 strand hexagonal arrangement with center wire. So ito yung magiging illustration niya. May 7 tayong strands. At yung pang 7 nating strands is at the center. So strand number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. Ito yung number 7 natin. So yung distance ng strand number 1 to 2 is 2R. Strand number 2 to 3 is 2R. Strand number 3 to 4, that is 2R. Strand number 4 to 5, that is 2R. Strand number 5 to 6, that is also 2R. And strand number 6 to 1, that is 2R. So next natin kunan ng distance is yung distance distance from strand number 1 to strand number 3. That is 2 square root of 3. So may kasunod pa ito na times radius. Next, strand number 1 to strand number 4. That is radius plus radius plus radius plus radius. That is 4R. So next, strand number 1 to strand number 5. That is equal to strand number 1 to strand number 3. That is 2 square root of 3 times radius. The next, so okay na tayo sa lahat ng distance. So if you use the general formula for geometric mean radius, may madiderive tayo na equation dito na GMR is equal to 2.1767. So napakalayo talaga ng values. So para mas madali natin ma-derive yung mga equation niya, kailangan nating gamitin itong tinatawag kong Kalakis GMR or Geometric Mean Radius formula. So but first, let's recall the 5 type of strands na na-discuss natin. So first, we have 3 strands triangular arrangement. Second is 3 strands horizontal arrangement. Next is the 4 strand diamond arrangement. Next is 4 strand square arrangement. And last is the 7 strand hexagonal arrangement with center wire. Okay, dito na i-introduce ko sa inyo yung tinatawag nating Kalakis Geometric Mean Radius formula. So ano yung ating Kalakis GMR formula? That is GMR is equal to 0.7788 raised to the power of 1 over m times m squared root of 2x times 3y times radius. Okay? Yung ating m, it is the number of strands. Yung x at y is ito yung tinatawag nating Kalakis pattern. So for 3 strands triangular arrangement, that is x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. For 3 strands horizontal arrangement, mag-add ka lang ng 2, that is x is equal to 8, y is equal to 0. For 4 strand diamond arrangement, mag-add ka lang ng 4, that is 8 plus 4, that is x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. And then, may value na tayo ng y, which is equal to 1. Ulitin lang natin. Mag-add ka lang ng 4 sa 8, that is 8 plus 4, that is x is equal to 12. And y will be equal to 1. For 4-strand square arrangement naman, mag-add ka lang ulit ng 2. So 12 plus 2, we have 14. X is equal to 14, y is equal to 0. And then for 7-strand hexagonal arrangement, magmo-multiply ka lang ng 2 sa x. So we have 14 times 2. We have x is equal to 48. And then yung y natin is equal to 6. So titingnan natin yung pattern. Yung tatlo, 3-strand triangular is 3 strands horizontal at saka 4 strands square arrangement, yung value ng y is equal to 0. And then for x naman, 6. Start tayo sa 6. 6 plus 2, we have 8. 8 plus 4 is we have 12. And 12 plus 2, we have 14. And 14 times 2, we have 48. Okay? Since meron na tayong value ng x at y, pwede na natin gamitin itong GMR Kalakis Geometric Mean Radius Formula. So sa calculator nyo, input nyo lang itong formula natin. We have 0.7788 raised to the power of 1 over m times m squared root of 2x times 3y. Ulitin lang natin. So ulitin lang natin. We have 0.7788 raised to the power of 1 over m times m squared root of 2 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of y. Okay, let's start with the 3-strand triangular arrangement. M natin is 3, x natin is 6, and y natin is 0. So makukuha nating value dito. Makukuha nating value dito is 1.46. So therefore, for 3-strand triangular, we have GMR is equal to 1.46. Lagyan lang natin ng radius. So 1.46 times radius. For 3 strands horizontal arrangement naman, ulitin lang natin. M is equal to 3, x is equal to 8, and y is equal to 0. So that is 1.7036. So for 3 strands horizontal, GMR is equal to 1.7036 times the radius. And then for 4-strand diamond arrangement, that will be M is equal to 4, x is equal to 12, and y is equal to 1. So that will be 1.692 times the radius. Okay, next, for 4-strand square arrangement, M is equal to 4, x is equal to 14, y is equal to 0. So that will be 1.722 times the radius. Next, for 7 strands hexagonal arrangement with center wire, so calc lang natin, M is equal to 7, x is equal to 48, and y is equal to 6. Equal, so we have 2.1767 times the radius. So yun, na-derive natin yung 5 formula ng GMR for different type of strands without memorizing every individual values. So dito lang talaga tayo magpo-focus sa tinatawag nating Kalakis Geometric Mean Radius Formula at saka Kalakis Geometric Mean Radius Pattern. Okay? Let's end our discussion today. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And huwag kalimutang mag-share, like, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para mas marami pa tayong matulungan at ma-reach na mga aspiring board exam takers. So dito na po magtatapos yung ating discussion. Maraming salamat and see you next time.